Let's do it. Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here at Bricks and Clicks, along with the one, the only, the man, the myth, the legend, folklore. Can't even see him, Chris Clay. There it is. There it is. So, going through toy pallets. Some exciting stuff right now. I mean, so far it's been all brand new stuff and their customer returns. And we actually, for the customer returns, only have $345 in per pallet, which is crazy. It's like this right here. We just sold this on Amazon for 50 bucks. So right there is 50 bucks of the $345. Pretty good deal. So
it all looks new.
Yeah, I mean, so far this is incredible stuff. I mean, it's amazing. You know, you pay about a third of what you would as if the merchandise was brand new, at least according to the manifest. So this stuff is customer returns. We'll get into it, see what we got. But that first pallet we went through was 95% new. I mean, we had one tote for the auction, and that was it.
Yeah.
So let's see what we got. But right there, 50 bucks. That's a good way to start it. Some Rocket League cars. Those are freaking awesome. Original price on them 30. I'll have to look them up, see what they go for. But there's some good money and they're brand new. Brand freaking new. We're gonna own the market on this speech breaker.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
Yeah. Don't lose your cool. Speech breaker.
Our generation now, come around, these could be discontinued, be worth a decent amount of money. Good stuff to be able to send to Amazon.
Yeah, we just sent some dolls to Amazon and they were $49.99 a piece. Discontinued. So there's that chick.
New play set, same type of deal.
Naiva and Growing My Way. So pretty cool stuff. So far so good.
Yeah.
Auction. Open board game. Watermelon Smash, we'll be able to send that.
Don't lose your cool, all brand new, got the original tape on it.
Another Roblox, another 50 bucks right there. Discontinued.
I feel like we couldn't send these.
Yeah,
We have a
I
ton of
remember.
them.
We sent these, and believe it or not, they actually sold. So their
Really?
price were 10 bucks, and we sold them for $12.99 each. So nice little find. And these were really good money too. I sent these last year. $27.99 these are priced for. Probably selling for like 30 bucks.
New Pokemon. Star Trek figures. All stuff brand new, we can send to Amazon. Very nice.
Very nice. How much? Brand new.
Even more.
Brand new. Have to look those up. Never seen those.
Melissa and Doug, it's brand new. We can't send this to Amazon, but we can sell it on eBay or sell it locally. So
Another doll. Another brand new doll. Isn't that crazy? Like this stuff is customer returns
and it's all newish.
and it's brand freaking new.
As he says that, we have one with a little package where everything's still complete there. The figures are there, all the accessories. So we'll set this aside and see if we can find similar items, lot them together, save on shipping.
I think this is new. It's just loose in the packaging. I feel like I'm not gonna gamble with it, but I mean, it absolutely looks new. But not worth the time when we got tons of stuff to go through. Mega Man play sets. We've been selling these for 30 bucks a piece.
Nice.
Those can go for sure.
Stomple, both brand new.
Top of the Pig, brand new. We can send that. Original price, 35 bucks on it. So is it gonna be worth more or less? Usually if it's discontinued, this is gonna be worth more.
More Rocket League, Captain Marvel figures, all brand new.
Hey, it's one of those little cars, little trucks. We've been selling these, they've been selling pretty well. These little guys, oh.
Yeah,
these
we'll just have
batteries.
to test it and see if
Yeah.
it works.
A lorry. Those little 6-inch cars. Another one.
More LOL dolls.
Keep
Not
coming.
LOL. Our generation.
This one broke free from the packaging. So we'll just put that in the auction.
Watch the last video, we got more bunchums.
Oh, look what I see we got in.
This one's open. Oh god. Yeah. The other lot still hasn't sold yet, so I'll wait a minute.
$60 we sold 4 of these weird things for, and he didn't think it was gonna happen, and it happened.
Yeah.
And the holidays are coming up, so they might be worth more now.
And I was completely wrong on that one.
Some more Stompo.
Oh, some new Mega Man toys. Oh man.
How freaking cool is that?
What?
You're a Mega Man guy too. Dang, that's pretty sweet. That is pretty sweet.
I like that.
And you can wear the Bumblebee helmet. Whoa!
Oh,
And then put
so stoked.
And then put the Bumblebee helmet on.
Right?
Then you're invincible.
Actually, looks like we have quite a few of these.
Other food.
I'll be excited to see what these actually go for.
Yeah, I've never seen those before.
That's the fun thing about doing this stuff too, is you get to play around with it and have some fun. Relive your childhood memories.
It's fun stuff. And you make money on it.
Yeah.
It's like a win-win for everyone.
Man, those are really cool.
Nevea. Another one of those dollars. Man, these are right now home run freaking packets
Right.
so far. Hey, look at this bonus.
Oh,
Some
lights.
string lights. We just sold some string lights the other day for $24.99. Some more of this game. Some string lights.
Brand new My Fairy Garden Magical Cottage.
Figured you'd play with that.
I knew you were gonna say something. I didn't even want to say it out loud, but
People
want to see it.
They want to see it. They want to know what you play with. Here's some surprise stuff. I'm sure we'll have some at the bottom. Moana doll. Some squish packaging on it, but she's new inside. So if we can pop it out, we'll send it to Amazon. If we can't pop it out, it'll be eBay.
New Monster Mayhem. These usually don't go for a lot.
Yeah.
We'll send them to. Actually, this one's missing part of the figure. So
I
they'll
just
go
put
to
them both
auction.
in the. And we can look them up, but I don't think they're worth that much. Original price down was $14.99, but they're not. It must have been a failure.
A failure
A
to
failure.
communicate.
Who was it? Did you put both in there?
No, I put the one over there because
Alright.
it was complete. Maybe we can sell them as a lot.
Yeah, we'll see. See what they go for.
Some more Pokemon.
Whoops. Something. Pee and Pup. Who freak buys that stuff? Pee and Pup. He pees. Look at the dog is peeing in that kid's face right there.
That's just kind of disturbing.
It's weird. I mean, that's some weird stuff right there. Crazy.
Like, why would you want that?
I don't know.
Mommy, buy me a toy that pees in my face. I want to go to the shower. Call her, Kelly.
Mom's like, no, kid. That's mommy's. Pokemon. Wizard of Oz. The lion. That's pretty cool. Man, there's some neat stuff in this, and we're not even halfway through it.
Yeah. Incredibles 2. Got some.
And we're back.
So we're good to go.
Mm-hmm.
Some more new Mega Man gloves. Man, I can play with these all day.
Another of those poppy things.
Oh, this one doesn't. Batteries must be dead. This one working like a charm.
I think it's pretty cool. What is this? Man, these Kelly toys are good money. I think we can
Are they?
send these. We have to look them up.
I'm sorry, you lost me at Mega Man Blaster.
That they're so freaking fun.
Yeah.
These right here, not worth what you think. You know, original price on $30. Last I checked, they were like $9. So this is an auction.
They're too big to ship and really make any type of money off them. So no matter if you listed them for the $12, you'd lose money trying to ship that stuff.
Hey, that stupid ninja thing.
Another
This one's complete.
Roblox, $50.
Hey, this is the mystery box A. The other one we had was C.
Was it? I wonder what the difference is.
Must be what's inside.
Mighty Beans, brand new.
Another one of the top wings.
Very nice. So far, pretty good. Pretty good.
Some good stuff in here. These have been selling crazy. I didn't know those last time. Brand new, nope. Well, it's funny,
Brand
only
new.
one seal is off. I think it's gonna be new inside when we open it, like a movie maker.
Only one seal's missing?
Yeah, and then they put a piece of tape over it. The other seal was active.
Nice. Oregon Trail.
Those sell pretty well.
Yeah, they do.
A lot that we do.
Not the version we were used to growing up with.
Crazy craft. Box is pretty squished. These aren't worth a lot. You know, and you're looking already at 3 pounds before you box it up. So it might be 4 pounds. Not worth the time or effort, money.
I Dream of Genie. Package is smushed, so we'll have to sell that here. Sell it on eBay locally. All this collector stuff is still pretty good money.
This escape room is new, but
Smashed.
it's smashed. It might be fun to play with the kids. Look, you set up different things and you have to figure out stuff. I might look that over. I might give that a glimpse.
Get your hand under that table. What?
What the heck is it? You got tilted or something?
I am not sure.
Interesting.
Interesting. It's new. Send that. I don't know how much that's worth, but
Yeah, I'll check it. What's the original price?
original price is $60.
Woo!
Woo!
Hey, here's Vaxian.
Oh, those don't sell for like $15 usually.
Batteries are dead on it.
We got a ton of these. They never sell. These will go right to the auction. I think we took
Oh
like
wait, turn it down. Oh yeah, those
15
are
or 20 of them last
those are
time.
freaking junk, and we sat on them for months and months
Yeah, yeah.
and got nothing with it. That board game, and then this one is open.
Yeah. Watermelon Smash, brand new.
Pea and Pup,
Yeah.
and some more My Little Pony.
Got some Nerf. Thankfully not for
favorite?
Chuck, but for me it's been open, so it goes to my R&D department, and I get to test these out and play around with them. We lot them together, different Fortnite or Nerf guns to save on the shipping. Still pretty good money. If you get a couple of these, I think we're selling for $60.
Yeah. Captain Marvel, a Lego Ninjago Legacy set. It looks like it's been open, so we'll have to double check, and you can hear some stuff loose in it. We shall see. Ah, this is sweet.
VTech item.
Yo,
It's been open. We'll have to go through and make sure it's complete and see if we can sell it. Oh, that's
Yeah.
like classic.
that's the classic.
I like
Storm.
that.
That is freaking awesome. Look
That's-
at that's like crisp on that fucking card.
Remember that Wolverine?
The Wolverine was sweet.
You sold that Wolverine for really good money.
Yeah, the Wolverine went for like $39.99 or $34.99 or something.
For an action figure, $40.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Some more Incredibles, some more new games. All stuff we can send.
Huh. WWE. Some new Legos. Powerpuff Girls. Remember watching that on Cartoon Network back in the day?
Escape Room, again, still new, but the box is squished. We don't make a lot of money on this, so we'll end up sending it to the auction.
There you go. Brand new Thomas and Friend minis. I bet you that's probably good money. $30. Really, there's a lot of smalls down here left. We'll start a surprise lot to do unboxing. Another game. But I mean, this was another solid hit.
Yeah, little live pets out of the packaging. These are still pretty good money though, so we'll put the batteries in, test it, make sure everything works.
Another new look. Yeah, even
Yeah.
used, we sell them for $24.99.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's basically about it. That's cool. All the Incredible figures.
Yeah, we have a bunch of those. Ain't
So-
always sold.
We'll flip you guys over, show you what's left down here. But I mean, looking at the smalls, you know, you still might be looking at $100 down here, maybe 150.
Yeah, a lot of stuff we can take and set aside for the other
Yeah.
pallets and see if we can.
I mean, we just sold a shit
Make
ton of
lots.
num noms.
Yeah.
$210 for a big lot of them. So, show you guys what we're working with here. So check it out. Lots of cool stuff from that pallet, and this pallet again was only $345.
Yeah.
We just pulled all that off. We got stuff for the auction. We got stuff on the table, and we still have a ton of stuff
It's a lot.
to lot on the bottom. So, really good stuff. Super exciting. I'm excited. I mean, so far this is a home run shipment.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
this
it's good
one's
stuff.
a little less new than the last pallet we worked, but still really good.
A lot of
Really
it's
good
just
pallet.
gonna go right. We don't even mess with it. Take the
Yeah.
stickers off of them, ship them out.
I might keep messing with the Mega Man blasters though.
R&D,
Yeah,
R&D.
just 'cause they're fun.
So I would say this one's probably another double, triple our money on it.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah, and again, customer returns. I mean, just absolutely a great buy. So that's what we got for you guys. We'll get it broken down, shipped out, and we'll get to the next pallet from the shipment.
Yep.
So
Stay tuned.
stay tuned, stay classy. We'll be back.
Like us, subscribe,
Oh,
share.
I don't say that anymore.
know.
Like, subscribe, share us, turn on notifications, whatever the daughters say. But do it. Make it happen. Support us.
Do it.
Do it now.
Do it.
We'll be back.